All right, there's the how much I got of the pond done. 2 of the cows that are there that aren't going to get any feed. Sorry about all the noise. There's Ben with the compressor in the Kawasaki getting it done. Yeah, you see, I work and all Ben does is talk on the phone.
I have some in the fridge. They also have Zaxby sauce. I'm not sure I cost them in another cache.
Continues to blow all that out, please. Show me, Ben. Where's that? Where are those 2 points? Everyone, take a look at touch it on the tip with your thing. Okay, that's one of the grease points that has to be done every day. There's one on the other side. Ben, can you get the other one? There's one on the other side. There's this one right here. And there's one here and one on the other side. Go for it. You got it all blown out? Try that one a little more, sir. If you come here, right here are the grease points. It shows you, and it also shows you adjustments at some point we're going to go over. But right now, I want to catch these grease fittings and the other ones that you've seen us blow out. And now it's pressure up, turn on the button to push them, power it off like that. Alright, so you got it all in there, sir?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead and grab the old grease gun.
Okay.
Where'd we put it? Oh, it's by me. It's in the passenger seat.
Let me start up with all these first.
I'm sorry, Ben, hold on. What are you saying, sir?
So you want me to start off with all this first?
Yeah, I want you to do the two that are farthest up first. This is the reason the fittings is you got a 6-point blade here. You got it?
Yep.
Okay, then go on over to the other one. And just so everyone knows, the hydraulics is locked out. So it can't go anywhere, although you hear it running. Because if it did, Ben would be in trouble. And it's hard to find any help at all, really, but good help for sure not. It's not pumping?
I think it's out.
There you go. Go ahead, show that, Ben. It's out. Go ahead and stop. We're going to put a tube in. Alright. That's a Dewalt self-greaser. We'll show you how that works. I will show you how it works a little later. Ben is finishing up. He ran out of pressure. Ran out of grease, rather. Right there, Ben. Sure you got stuff in there, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay. There's another point. And all that is, because this is a 6-way blade. Kind of like a mini dozer. Or skid steer. The other side. These are the ones you got to do every day that I showed you with the picture. You want me to hold that for you, Ben?
Oh no, I got it.
Okay. And I don't know if you should have heard that high-pitched whining when it ran out of grease.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Okay. I think we're done there. Let's come over here, Ben. Over here. Let me get these. Or are they not there anymore? Oops. Where do we have 3 in a row? Let's start over. Let's start over there, Ben. He's going to get 3 over there. Some go in or not? Ben, I'm going to go grab a rag real quick. Which fitting are you getting now?
That one.
Where's your grease coming out? Didn't get that one. Okay, I heard it, you're good. Alright. So we're going to do some operations here, basically get the rest of them that are here off camera.